Alpha, diver below or undergoing speed trial. Bravo, taking or discharging explosives. Charlie, affirmative or yes. Delta, keep clear maneuvering with difficulty. Echo, altering course to starboard. Foxtrot, disabled, communicate with me. Golf, I need the pilot. Hotel, I have a pilot on board. India, altering course to port. Juliet, I will send you message by semaphore or on fire with dangerous cargo. Keep clear. Kilo, you should stop your vessel instantly. Wish to communicate. Lima, you should stop. I have something to tell you. Mike, I have a doctor on board. Stop and making no way through the water. November, negative or no. Oscar, man overboard. Papa, all aboard. Vessel is about to proceed. Quebec, my vessel is healthy and I request free practice. Romeo, the ways of my ship, you may feel your way pass through me. Shera, my engines are going full speed astern. Tango, do not pass ahead of me. Keep clear. Engage in pair trolling. Uniform, you are coming into danger. Victor, I require assistance, not distress. Whiskey, I require medical assistance. X-ray, stop what you're doing and watch for my signals. Yankee, I am carrying mails or dragging my anchor. Zulu, to be used to address a port shore stations. Require tugboat. Thank you po.